I'm not here to sign your autographs. Not until after the match.
Look at it this way. At least you get to die.
Come on. Everyone deserves a chance to rise.
This is your champion.